Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, students, here I'm going to explain you the exercise number 1.3, question number 6. Now, what is your question number 6 here? Question number 6 is let A is equals to ABC and B is equals to XY. So, write bit number 1 is two relations in A cross B. A cross B relations means what you have to do. First, you will find out the Cartesian product of A cross B. Okay, you have to find out the Cartesian product. Then when you will find out the set of A cross B, so from that set you have to make two relations. Okay, relations means you have to make the subsets. Okay, you have to make the subsets. Relations means you have to make the subsets of A cross B. But before finding out the relations, what you will do, you will find out A cross B. Now how will you find out A cross B? Means you have to find out the Cartesian product here. So you will write here A cross B is equals to, first you will write down the elements of A, which are A, B and C, bracket close, then the sign of cross, and then you will multiply it with this one, which is the set B elements, which are X and Y. Okay, now for Cartesian product, what you will do, you will make the sets, make the pair. Okay, how will you make the pair? First you will make the pair of A and X. So you will write A comma X, bracket close, then you will make the pair of A with Y. Okay, A with Y, then you will make the pair of Y with X. Okay, Y with X, B with Y, B with X. Okay, first you will make the pair of B with X. Okay, and then you will make the pair of B with Y. Okay, last you have C, so you will make the pair of C with X. And last what you have, C and Y, so you will make the pair of C and Y here, and then bracket close. Understand? Now next is what you have to do, you have to make the two relations. In relations means you have to make the subset of this set. Now this is your parent set. Okay, this is your parent set, or you can say the superset, and you have to make the subset from this set. And you know how to make the subsets? You will write R1. R1 means you are making the relation 1. So how will you form the subset? In subset, you can take any two sets. You can take any one set, you can take any two sets, any three sets, any four sets. Means simply you have to make the subsets. Just suppose I'm going to take here AX, AY. You can take anything. Okay, you can take BX, you can, it's up to you, you can make subsets of any two sets here. Okay, just suppose I'm going to make the sets of AX, and just suppose I'm not going to take it AY, I'm going to make it with BX. So I'm going to write here BX, bracket close. So this will become the subset of this set. You can write here AY, you can write here BX, you can make the sets of three elements, 4, 5, 6. It's up to you. Okay, now second we are going to make the relation 2. Again we are going to make the subset of our parent set. This is our parent set, so we have to make the subset of our parent set. Just suppose now it's up to you. Now you can take BX again, you can take AY again, but subset should be different. Just suppose I am starting from BX. Okay, I am starting from BX. The first I'm going to take BX comma, just suppose next I'm going to take this BY. I should stop here. Obviously, I can stop it here, or just suppose I'm going to make the sets of 3. So I will take this CY. Okay, CY. And then bracket close. So in relations, what you have to do, you have to simply make the subsets of the parent set. This is become your parent set, and you have to make the subset. Now it's up to you how many sets are you taking here. Okay, you can take 2, you can take 3, you can take 4. It's up to you. Okay, you can make any relation, you can make any relation in this sets. Okay, now we are moving towards bit number 2. Now in bit number 2, what you have to do, you have to make two relations in B cross A. Previously we have find A cross B, now we have to find here B cross A first. Okay, so first we will find out B cross A. So first we will write down the elements of B, which are X and Y, bracket close, cross, the elements of A, which are A, B and C. Now we have to find out the Cartesian product. So simply we will write B cross A is now equals to, we have to make the pairs with this one and this one. So first we will make the pair of X and A, okay, in a sequence. Sequence should be important. X with A, bracket close, then this X with B, then X with C, okay, then what we have, Y, okay, then we have Y with A, then Y with B, and last Y with C. Okay, now B cross A is now equals to this one. Okay, now this will become your parent set and you have to make the subsets. Now how many relations you have to make? Two relations. So first we will write R1, and in R1 what we have to do, we have to make the subset from our parent set. Now just suppose which set are you going to take here? Which set, it's up to you. Just suppose I'm going to take here this one, ya, yb, yc. It's up to you, you can make any subset. Okay, just suppose I'm going to make here with ya and with yb. It's up to you. Okay, yb, this is relation 1. And then in relation number 2, what you will write, curly bracket, and just suppose I'm going to make it with xa. Okay, just suppose I'm writing here xa, then this one xb, and it's up to you. Just suppose I'm taking here ya. Okay, we can repeat the set ya. Okay, so this will become the subset of our parent set. So what you will do, you have to find out two relations. So simply what you will do, you will make your parent set and then you will make the subsets from your parent set. That's mean you are going to find out the relations. Okay, now moving towards bit number 3. Now, in bit number 3, what you have to find out three relations in A. Now, how will you make three relations in A? First, you will find out the Cartesian product of A. Simply what you will do, you will write A cross A. Obviously, you will make your parent set first. A cross A means first you will write down the elements of set A. So, if you remember, the elements of set A are A, B, and C. So, you will write here A, B, and C, bracket close, Cartesian product. Then you will again multiply it with the same one, A, B, and C. Now, how will you find out the Cartesian product? You will write A cross B. A cross A is equals to AA. Okay, AA. Then AB, and then AC. Okay, now we will take B. Okay, B with A. Okay, B with B, and B with C. Okay, now we will take C. Next, we are moving towards C. So you will write C with A, then C with B, and then C with C. Okay, now these are the parent set, means this is a result of A cross B, yani ki Cartesian product. Now what you have to find out, three relations. Again you have to find here three relations. So it's up to you, means you have to make the subset from the parent set. Now it's up to you, you can take any one. Just suppose I'm going to take this one, A cross A, or just suppose this one, B dot B, B comma B. Okay, then we are going to find R2, relation to, it's up to you how many sets can you can take here. Just suppose I'm writing here AB. Okay, AB, or AC, or just suppose I am taking here this one, CC. Okay, now the last is R3. Okay, now R3 in relation number 3, because we have to form three relations, means we have to form three subsets from the parent sets. So we are taking here BA. It's up to you, you can make any pair. Okay, it's up to you, it's totally up to you, any other relation can be formed. Okay, just suppose BC, and just suppose I'm going to take here CC. Okay, or CA or CB. It's up to you. You can take any one. Okay, so this is the way to solve bit number 3 of question number 6, exercise number 1.3. Means relations means you have to make the subsets from the parent sets. Now we are moving towards bit number 4. Okay, now in bit number 4, what you have to do, you have to find all relations in B. All relations in B means, what does it mean, all relations in B? Means first you will find out the Cartesian product of B, and then you will find out the relations, all the relations in set B. Now look at here. Your set B is equals to X and Y. Okay, set B is equals to X and Y. Right? Now, what do you have to do here? First, you will find how many sets can be formed in B. Okay, means you are going to multiply. If B is going to be multiplied with B, so it means B has two elements. Multiply by this B again. So how many sets can be formed? Four sets. How many sets can be formed in B cross B? Four sets. Okay. Now, next is how many number of relations. Question is number of relations, because you have to form all the relations now. So you will write number of relations. For this, you will use the formula which is 2n. Okay. Now, what is 2? 2 is your base and n is this one, number of elements or number of sets in B cross B. So how many number of sets in B cross B? Obviously 4. So you will write here 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 means you have to multiply 2 by 4 times. Okay. Now look at here. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 will be 16. So how many relations can be formed here? 16 relations. Okay. You have to form all relations. So total number of relations will be 16. But before that, we will find out B cross B. Now look at here. I'm going to find here B cross B. B cross B is equals to set B elements which are X, Y. So we will write here X, Y, bracket close, multiply by X, Y again. Okay. Now, what we have to do, how many sets can be formed? 4. Now look at here. B cross B is equals to X, X. Okay. Then X with Y. Okay. Now Y with X and Y with Y. Bracket close. Now 4 sets. Now number of relations are 16. So first I'm going to make relation number 1 from this parent set. Now this is our parent set and we have to make 16 subsets. Okay, now how many sets? 16. So we are starting from R1. Okay, relation number 1. Okay, first we will make our empty set. Okay, first we will make the empty sets. R1 will be our empty set. This empty set will be the subset of this one, as you have learned it before. Okay, so empty set is the subset of every set. Remember, empty set is the subset of every set. So empty set, first empty set, then R1. Okay, we will R2. Now look at here in R2, what we will make the subset of each set. We will take one set, then this set, then this set, and this set. Means we will write down each set separately. So first we will write here curly bracket this set, which is X and X. Okay, subset बन गया ये इसका. Now second we will make R3. Then we will take this one separately, XY, because we are making the subset. First we will make the subset of one set, okay, comprising of only one pair. Then R4, this one YX, and then R5 will be equals to YY. Okay, so these are all the subsets. These are all the single subsets, okay, which comprises of single pair. Now we will make the pair of two elements. So first we will take this one and this one, then this with this one, then this one with this one. Okay, now this will be our R6, relation number 6, which will be equals to, first we are going to make the pair of this XX with remaining three sets. So first we will take XX with XY, bracket close. This is R6. Now R7, I'm writing here R7 will be equals to again XX with x yx. Okay, xy के साथ बना लिया. Now yx, bracket close, and then r8 will be equals to again xx with yy. Okay, is it clear? Now we are going to make R9. Okay, now how will we make R9? Relation number 9. Look at here. We have taken xx and then we will form the x sets with each one. Now we will take xy and we will make the pair of xy with first yx and then with yy. So now we are taking xy here and we will make the pair of xy with yx. Okay. Now this is R9 and then R10 will be equals to, again we are making the pair of this xy with yy. Okay, we will write here xy and then yy. Okay, then R11, it will be equals to what? Yx and yy. Okay, we will drop first to one and we will make the pair of last to one. Yx and yy. Okay, yx and y. I hope it is clear. Okay, now we have completed the pair of two sets. Okay, now we are moving towards the three sets, means we will take three sets simultaneously. So we are starting from first to one and then this one, then first to one with this one. So this is R11, now R12. Okay, relation number 12 will be equals to, look at here, first we are going to take xx, we will write here xx and xy along with this one. Okay, xs, xy and yx, three pairs. Okay, okay, bracket close. Then we will take this two sets again, these two sets again, means this will be our R13. So we will write here xx, xy, and the last one is this one, that is y. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now moving towards R14, relation number 14. In relation number 14, what we will do, we will take this first set and forget about this one. We will make the pair of this one with this one and this one. Okay, so first I'm going to write here xx. Okay, xx, yx, and the last one will be this yy, this one. Okay, y, bracket close. Okay, R14. Now we are moving towards R15. Now how will we make relation number 15? We will take which one? We will take last three. Hmm? We will take last three. What we will take? xy, yx and yy. We will write here xy. Okay, xy, yx and yy. Okay, now pairing will be done with three pairs. Now last we have our 16. How many relations we should make? 16 relations. Remember, we have to form 16 relation. So in 16 relation, what we will do in relation number 16, we will make the pair of all the sets. Okay, we will make the pair of all the sets. This one, we will take four sets simultaneously. We will write here, just a minute, we will write here xx comma xy comma yx comma y, bracket close. Okay, so this is the way to form 16 relations. Okay, how many relations we have to form? 16 relations. I am repeating again. First you will find out the number of relations with the help of formula 2n. N means the number of sets in B cross B can be formed. As you can see here, four pair of sets in the B cross B. So 2 raised to the power 4 will be equal to 16 relations. So you have to make the 16 relations from B cross B. Okay, so what you will do, first you will make the empty set. Okay, then you will make the pair of individual set. Okay, then you will make the pair of two sets, two sets, two sets, two sets, and then you will done with two sets. Then you will start making the pair of three sets, three sets, three sets, and three sets, and then last you will make the pair of all four sets. Okay, so this is the way to find out the relations. I am repeating again, relations means you have to make the subset of the parent set. Okay, now thank you so much. I hope it is clear, and if it is clear, so please mention it in the chat box or comment section. Thank you so much.